What's up, guys? I'm gonna update you guys on my ball python clutch that hatched back in December. So this clutch was my albino pied clutch. I had great odds with this clutch, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I end up getting. And I think I did do a little video, but now they're freshly out of shed. Most of them ate for the first time, and yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and show them off to you guys. All right, guys, we're gonna start off with the first one, and you can tell these numbers are off. This is from the last clutch. I still need to relabel these guys, but these are the 9 ball pythons from this first clutch. The last clutch, I ended up selling like I think at least 5 of them, so I'm down to 4 more of those guys. I think I'm gonna end up keeping the rest of those 4. But yeah, let's go ahead and start off with this first one, which is a pastel pied right here. Let's go ahead and pull out this, male. I'm hoping that all these are female, but who knows. But yeah, let's try to get that on focus. Yeah, as you can see, those nice pastel colors on that girl. Yeah, what a beautiful snake. These are my first pieds I produced. Nice. I would say this is like a mid-white. Beautiful colors. Pastel pied. And this one is going to be het albino also, because the breeding was albino pied or pastel albino pied to a double het albino pied female. All right, let's move on to the next snake. And then right here is a beautiful pied, just a regular pied. Let's pull out this. Let's try and get that in focus. See those beautiful oranges on this girl. Wow, one of my favorites. Definitely. You can't beat a normal pied. Look at those colors. Wow, look at that. I'm hoping all these are females. I'm gonna hold all these pieds back if they are, with the regular pieds. But the albino pieds, any extras, if my brother doesn't want one, I'm gonna end up selling them. So I'll probably put those on Morph Market. Once they eat on a regular basis. So right here you can tell there's like a little smiley face, it looks like. A little clown face. Yeah, also this one's het albino. With these guys, I probably won't use the albino. With this one, I'll probably put that in the clown pied stuff. And right here, this one's always ready to eat. This one is on frozen thawed. Those other 2 that I showed you so far only have 8 live. Yeah, look at this one. This one has a lot of energy, strong. Nice pied right there. This one has a little bit more pattern than the other pied. Try to get all that in there for you guys. Nice whites. Yeah, guys. Amazing guys. Amazing babies. Alright, let's move on to the next one. With this clutch, we had a total of 9. 6 of them were pieds. 3 being albino pied. And then let's move down to the albino pieds. Let's show off this guy. This one I think is a little bit more higher white, I believe. Yeah, this guy does not want to come out of his ball. So what we'll do is we'll set this guy to the side and then we'll wait for him to come out. Try to get him to some good lighting. But yeah, you could tell, higher white pied. I would say this one's not, no, this one's not mid-white. It's more higher white. But yeah, we'll go ahead and put him down, let him come out. And let's look at the siblings. Let's see how the other ones, if the other ones are out. Oh yeah, look at this one. So yeah, I'm not gonna grab this one just so it doesn't ball up on me. But you can see the colors on this guy's really nice. This one has a little bit more faded pattern in the middle. You'll see the next one I'm gonna show you guys has a lot more orange. So this one will probably be one of the ones I'm gonna sell, depending on which one my brother chooses. But yeah, if you guys are looking for some albino pieds, I'll have some for sale. Okay, let's go ahead and show you guys the next one now. Right here, guys, is how I keep my babies, from hatchling size all the way up to, I would say, a couple 100 grams. You can keep them to 200 grams. I wouldn't go past that. They do like these tubs because they can feel the sides. And also I put a little bit of cocoa in there for them to feel the bottom when they're babies. Not required. As they get bigger, you know, you can change out to whatever you want to use. Sorry guys about all this. I need my friends to come over and help me hide some cords and stuff. Miggy. All right guys, right here. This is probably my favorite albino pied, and yeah, she's in a ball, of course. But you can see those nice orange colors on this one. This one has a lot of pattern. That's probably why I like it so much. Right there. Try to get that in the light. Right there, guys. My favorite albino pied out of the clutch. It's either this one or that one, but I think definitely this one. You see how nice these oranges are on this girl. Yeah, I hope my brother keeps this one. If not, I may or may not keep it if this is a girl. If it's a boy, I'm definitely gonna sell. I don't need any more boys right now. Beautiful, guys. Albino pieds. Possible pastel. Not sure how to identify pastel with an albino, but yeah. Okay. Let's move on to the next. Oh, let's show this guy. It seems like he's coming out of his ball. What's up, dude? You wanna come off and show everybody how you look? You can tell this one does have some nice oranges right here at the top. Right there. And then the nice orange face. Don't bite my finger. I think other than that, it's the majority of it's white. Yeah, this one has a really high white right here. Yeah, I don't think there's any other pattern. I thought there was some pattern on the tail, but that might have been the other ones. Let's try to get this one some good lighting. All right, guys, let's move on to the last three. And the last three, guys, are just gonna be a couple normals here from the clutch. You can tell how nice these guys are. I'm not gonna pull these guys out. You can just see them. Yeah, who doesn't like any normals? And these guys will be for sale. I'm not gonna hold these guys back, whether or not they're male or females. We'll be selling these guys. So if you guys are just looking for a good pet, let me know. I'll hook you guys up. Probably gonna do a giveaway on one of these guys. All right, and let me show you the last snake, which is just a pastel. Which you could tell that this pastel is a little bit different than the other pastel I produced. I produced 2 pastels in my first clutch. You can tell this one's a little bit more different patterned. Here, let me see. Let me see if I can pull out the other pastel. So in comparison, this is my pastel from my first clutch, And this is the pastel from this clutch. So these are both pastels. So these guys are both from they have the same dad. So they're gonna be pastel double head albino pieds. But yeah, guys, I appreciate you guys watching this little update video. I wasn't feeling good the last couple weeks, so I'm gonna try to pound out some more videos here coming up. I do plan on revealing a new pair of snakes that I got, so look forward to that, guys. And I'll probably do a little cage build with them also. But yeah, thank you guys for subscribing and watching all my videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one.